Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xmas token, the Xmas2023 token. The normal ticker symbol and name of this token is just Xmas, XMAS, but this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and the ticker symbol for that listing is going to be XMS2023, because most likely there already was a token on this central exchange with the Xmas ticker symbol, so it's slightly different here, and maybe the title was confusing, but that's why the ticker symbol might be different than the BSC scan. But we're going to go over the information on this token and the brand new central exchange listing that they're getting tomorrow and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Xmas is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 21st at 6 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search ticker symbol XMS2023 and then simply just buy the token. So on Mexc Global, they have the token listed as XMS2023, but the actual name and ticker symbol is Xmas. So let's make that fully clear here so you people don't get confused. Now this token already has 1,438 holders, doing very well so far, 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a lot of tokens. 2 quadrillion, 23 trillion, 122 billion, 500 million Xmas tokens. A decent amount of tokens here. Now, the webpage has a link to their BSC scan, has a link to PancakeSwap if you want to get this token prior to getting it off of, or prior to the Mexc Global listing. You can get it off PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Xmas token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, xmas2023.club. Now, you probably will not have to worry about slippage because on their webpage it says 0% taxes. Unbox the future, byte by byte, Project Christmas or Project Xmas, where crypto magic meets cyber cheer. So you could join their Telegram, you could join their Twitter. Those are all linked on their webpage there. It says, embark on a cybernetic journey. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of Project Xmas, where every byte of data sparkles like snowflakes in the digital cosmos. Our blockchain-driven sleigh will navigate you through a cybernetic journey where innovation meets the festive season. Robot Wonderland. Meet our digital companions, the Xmas bots. These festive automatons are here to spread joy and goodwill across the crypto sphere. From trading tips to spreading holiday cheer, These bots redefine the meaning of companionship in the digital age. Also, cyberspace caroling. Carve your path through the virtual caroling experience where AI-generated melodies harmonize with the festive spirit. Let the soothing hum of blockchain carols guide you through the corridors of the cybernetic wonderland. They have secure stocking stuffers, so worry not about Grinches stealing your crypto joy. Project Xmas boasts state-of-the-art security features, ensuring that your digital stockings are filled with nothing but the purest of crypto magic. 'Tis the season of giving, and we're giving you the gift of peace of mind. Illuminate the future. At Project Xmas, we believe in illuminating the future of crypto. The Xmas token isn't just a currency, it's a beacon of innovation and unity. Join us as we redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the ever-evolving world of blockchain. The Crypto Claus is coming to town. As we approach the merriest time of the year, let the Crypto Claus bring you the gift of decentralized joy. Project Xmas is not just a project, it's a movement, a revolution, and a celebration of the marriage between technology and tradition. The community development and future goals include following and supporting OpenAI across Xmas social media, establish a strong community with like-minded individuals, community-led socials and channels, reach $1 billion market cap, showing support for Xmas. Further goals to be added as the community collaborates. So they have different listings here. So they're PooCoin, PancakeSwap, DexView, DexTools, DexScreener, Aave.ai. Links are on the webpage, along with CoinMarketCap, Medium articles, GitHub, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, and Reddit. It says, Project Xmas is here to make crypto dreams come true, unwrap the future of Xmas, and let the digital festivities begin. Get ready for a festive season like no other. Now, on their DexTools chart, you can click on there, and it says their market cap right now is $1.14 million. They have $74,460 in locked liquidity on Uniswap. 24-hour trading volume right now is $128,360. And their security audits say no warnings on there, so that's great to see. You could check out their Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, and Go Plus security. They also have a Telegram with 20,922 members at XMS2023 Elon. And they also have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right on the screen here that has a link to their Telegram, their webpage, their contract address. All that's right on this Twitter right here at Xmas1225_2023. 5,782 Twitter followers, almost 80 tweets. Go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token's being listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.